Hello sewing friends, welcome back to my sewing room. Today is Fridaysews and I'm going to share a little bit about sewing and a little bit about life. I just got back a few weeks ago from Texas and I can't wait to share all of that. And coming up I have some fabric hauls from Mart and Joann's and also some things that I've been sewing. So let's get started. Okay, now I want to show you what I bought from Mart. It's an online fabric store. And I bought this black exotic floral. Isn't it beautiful? This is a polyester and lycra blend. And it's called Exotic Floral Vines. It was $3.99 a yard on sale and I bought 3 yards. I'm gonna make a dress out of this. I just love it. And this one is my favorite. This is beautiful. I can't wait to make a dress out of this. This is also a polyester lycra. It's so beautiful and it also was $3.99 a yard. And this is called Tropical Floral. It's so pretty. I can't wait to make a nice summer dress out of this. It just drapes so beautifully. So I'll be making some dresses out of these. I can't wait. And now I want to show you how I fixed this store-bought dress that I'm wearing. It's a button-down dress. It buttons all the way down, and when I would wear it, it would have all these gaping holes here when you would move. It would, and I didn't like that. And so I thought I buttoned the whole thing up, and I tried it on to see if I could slip it over my head, and I could. So what I did is I just buttoned all the buttons, took it to my sewing machine, and let's see if you can see. I took it to my sewing machine and then I just sewed right here, right on the edge of the placket, right on the, let me see if you could see it. I took it to my sewing machine and I left a little here. I started right about here below this button and I just sewed right on the edge of this placket all the way down the entire dress. So now it became, instead of a button-down dress, it's a slip-on dress. And I don't have to worry about it gaping. No gaping. It doesn't gape anywhere. I'll do a close-up so you can see the stitching. I just sewed right on the edge of this placket all the way down to keep it closed. That was a quick and easy fix I thought I'd share with y'all in case anyone else is having that problem. Okay, now I want to show you what I bought at Joann's. I bought some quilting cotton that was on sale for $2.99 a yard. This one is called Speckled Dots Atlantis. It's a beautiful speckled dot, like a blue-green aqua color. It's so pretty. This will make a really cute summer dress. I bought 3 yards of that. And then I bought this quilting cotton for $2.99 a yard. And this one is called Varying Size Dots Racing Red. Isn't it pretty? I thought that would make a cute summer dress. And last but not least, this one is called Speckled Dot Sun Kiss Coral. And it's a beautiful coral pink background with the speckled white dots. I bought this for $2.99 a yard and it's also a quilting cotton. And I bought 3 yards. It's so pretty. I can't wait to make a dress out of this. Right now I'm working on a empire waist dress with flutter sleeves and a gathered skirt. And I just kind of used my own clothes as my pattern. I took one of my stretchy knit tops that fits me nicely but not too tight, nice and loose, to make the bodice. So I just traced around it. I turned it inside out and traced around the bodice of that top and made a back and front bodice and cut it on the fold. And I cut 2 of each because I wanted to make it lined instead of using facing. So this is completely lined. And then after I sewed these together and I did the understitching here to hold this inside. And now I'm working on the flutter sleeve. This flutter sleeve's given me a little bit of problem. I'm still trying to work out the sleeve. I think the sleeve's a little too big. I gotta go back and size this down a little bit, I think. But I just love how it's coming out. So once I get the sleeves finished on this, See, it'll be like a little empire waist. Now I'm going to use, and then I cut out a rectangle and sewed it together. And now I just have to gather this and sew it to the bodice, and then that'll be my little dress will be finished. So I'm looking forward to getting this done because I really want to make this same dress out of that knit fabric I just showed you from the Fabric Mart haul. This is kind of like my trial and error, so if I mess this up, I won't be upset because this is not my most favorite fabric, but I wanted to try it out on something that it doesn't matter if I mess it up before I use all my good fabric that I bought that I really, really love. So hopefully that will be done in the next day or so. Now I want to share a little bit about life. My husband just retired from work at the end of May. Yay! So now we can go visit our grandchildren whenever we want. We don't have to wait till the summer. And so we got to go up there and visit our 5-year-old grandson and our 2-year-old little granddaughter. Oh my gosh. I hadn't seen her since almost a year ago, and she had grown so much and changed so much. And our little grandson, he's just doing so well. They have just grown up so much. It was so good to see them. I miss them so much. And we got to teach our grandson how to pray. We've been slowly teaching him over the years how to pray, and this time he was able to pray all on his own without us coaching him. So that was just beautiful. It melted our hearts. So I'm going to put a clip in here and let you see his sweet little prayer and a few photos and videos so you can see how much fun we had in Texas.
Oh, wait a minute. Okay, Oliver's going to pray. Pray, Oliver.
Dear God, thank you for giving me wishes food. Thank you for giving mommy, daddy. Thank you to the Aya. Thank you to the Yawa. Thank you to the grandma, grandpa. Thank you for giving me wishes food. And Jesus, let me pray.
Amen. Yay! Oliver did the perfect prayer. Proud of you, boo-boo.
I'm proud of you.
You
Good
are
job,
something
Isla.
else,
Did you
boo-boo.
pray? Did you pray?
Mama.
That's right. Amen.
Amen.
And here is a group picture of our son and his wife and our grandchildren the day we went out to breakfast together. And this is the day we arrived and took a picture with our grandchildren. And here we are at Chick-fil-A having lunch with our little grandkids. We had so much fun. And here we are at the park. They're so sweet. They love to hold hands. Adorable. And our sweet little granddaughter with her cute glasses. And here's our grandson eating his cookie at the park. Thank you so much for joining me today. Have a so blessed day. Bye for now.